This video will demonstrate how to replace the console assembly on your LifeFitness 95Xi Crosstrainer. Tools needed for this video will be a Phillips screwdriver. Remove the console support cap by squeezing the sides and pulling it away from the console support. Remove the two Phillips screws securing the console support cover to the console support. Remove the 4 Phillips screws securing the console to the console support. Disconnect the main cable and the heart rate cable, if present, from the rear of the console. Install the new console in reverse order. This concludes today's demonstration.